So everything is made of cardboard, right, Archishman? He fixes all the LED lights from Daiso. What is this?
Oh yeah, those are vents. So like you can open them like this and then close them. Like the door over here is closed, so that's why nothing's happening.
This is actually a closet which is used to protect yourself at the time of earthquake. So I just want to show you how Archishman transformed this closet into his own secret base. So let's go and see. I need to remove the curtains. Okay. Okay, Archishman, can you explain a little bit about it?
Yeah, sure. We got 3 lights here. So this one with my name on it, and then that one which is like a LED light which changes colors. So like you can on off it, and then you can on it again. You can also make it in a flash, which like just changes the color quickly, and then strobe, which just kind of fades the color. And then we got another light over here, which is like a sensor light. So like when you're not there, it will automatically off itself, and then when you just come in, so like it'll on. And then this also works as a flashlight. Like when I'm working, I don't want to on these lights, so like that time I just quickly take this off and then just use it as a flashlight. It kind of works. Why I can take this off is because there's a piece of metal here, and then this is a magnet, so you can just quickly just put that there.
Wow. And what about this plane? So many things.
Yeah, so I made this plane. This is like a Sukhoi 57. It got a lot of things, like its wheel can rotate, and then there are also missiles on the inside. Like I'll show you, like this. Let me just take this off. Oh, here.
So Archishman, you spend your lunchtime sitting here and reading the Wimpy Kids?
Yeah, like I have a foldable table over there, so like I just put that, eat there, and then read Wimpy Kid. Or sometimes mostly I lay down and eat, and over there got a comfy pillow.
Now I want to show you this side. Here is Archishman's favorite.
Roderick Rules.
Ah, wow.
I have the book of that one.
Okay. Wow, this is a nice place to spend your relaxing time.
Yeah, so like I got 2 books here, more books over there.
Yeah.
And then I got a foldable table here. Like I mostly eat here. Yeah, it's pretty strong. Like 3 books probably maximum, but like that's not the weight of the food.
Yeah, sometime Archishman invites me during the lunch time.
Yeah.
So it's a very nice ambience. We sit here and
you can even make the ambience even better by just turning off the reading light. I call that the reading light because like it's so bright. Just look, it's not that bright now. And then just look how bright it is now. So like with this light, it's actually even more bright than outside the lights outside. And then with this light, I can actually read books without hurting my eyes that much. Yeah, so like sometimes I use it mostly as a bedside table and to block the electrical things. So I'll show you.
Can you show me how you fix everything?
So this is the fan, and this one is for the LED light, and this is for the reading light. I mostly just switch the reading light off. Yeah, so like when you turn the reading light off, it's like way cool. You can just change colors, and then it will be like pretty cool.
Wow.
Yeah.
Such a nice ambience.
Yes, I really like this one. I keep my Blue Lock cards here, these 2, and over here. I also got this plushie. So like I got it for free in some contest. A lot of plants here because plants hide the flaws. Like it's pretty good actually. So got one plant here, one other plant there, 2 plants, 3 plants. This vine.
Yeah, it's so nice.
And then another vine over there, 4 plants, and then this ball. So like 5 plants.
So many plants Archishman used to decorate his secret base. What inspires you to build this type of secret base?
Main thing is like when we came to Kyoto, like it's like a new place, so I have no friends here, and it's like very burning hot outside. I made the base, so like I can just stay down here, and then my father also sometimes come here. Like max is 3 people, like my entire family. And the best part that makes me feel very comfortable here is like my other bases, we had to crawl down like this. We couldn't even stand upright, and then we probably meet just one tower there where we could sit like this. So, and over here, like we mostly can sit upright like this, and then also like it's very big place. The most thing I reused is like this is like an entire Amazon box, like this much big. So like yeah, you can see the sticker, Amazon sticker. And this is like, you see these curtains. These curtains were actually for my actual house, but then it didn't fit because it's so short. And then I was like, wait, I could use that. And then I used the curtains.
It was a wrong purchase, but it actually fits so well with Archishman's base.
It helped me.
So those are the water bottle that cardboard.
Yes. You see this part. This is where I joined the both of them.
Okay.
Yeah. I had
so
some
without
leftover.
throwing all the cardboards, you can use it. So that's also pretty innovative.
And I think I will dismantle it. And
Oh no!
Yeah, that's sad. To dismantle like this wall, you see, it's kind of made from kitchen towel, and then yeah, so like you can just do this, and it's a bit of tape, so I don't think it will be much hard.
It's not hard to remove, but it's, you can say it's kind of emotional attachment. How nicely he made all these things during his summer vacation, but now he has to remove everything because we are going back to our home. So that's the thing Archishman made. I hope you have enjoyed his secret base.